5 minutes. To be cool. 5 minut.
No.
Tak pojď se mnou.
Okay. I have to do everything here. Okay, my 5 minutes. I just wanted to show that this was supposed to be documentation here. So I just wanted you to show you a tool for collaborating on Markdown. We use it a lot with my colleagues when we prepare online courses or offline courses, whatever. It's called HackMD.io, obviously. It's free. I don't know it's free as in freedom, but it's definitely free as in no money required. It's obviously Markdown editor with syntax highlighting, nothing fancy about that. It has Sublime, Vim, and Emacs, so most of you will be at home. Shortcuts available, so it's kind of comfortable to use. Obviously, it has preview. It knows all the GitHub flavored syntaxes and probably a bit more. So you can go a long way with that. Cool thing is more people can edit it at once. So like a Google Doc for Markdown. You even see who changed the line last. So if I hover there, there's like my name because I edited everything here. I have some more collaborative document here, but not sure which one it is. Yeah, whatever. What's great? You can, of course, there's several levels of like privacy and editing. So from completely public editing by anybody to really locked hidden thing. There's also automatic versioning, kind of that. I know better is like versioning, real versioning system where you commit, but you know, this is just editing some text, so no fuss about it. So you can get previous versions like automatically saved. What's also cool about it, you can if you need to upload a bitmap image, you can do it easily. It will upload it somewhere to there or to other service, but it will be here in a well. Okay, slow internet. Move on. What else? A lot of GitHub extensions, including to-do lists. Yeah, you cannot see that. Etc. etc. So comfortable editing, and it has two interesting modes. I use the slide mode. Oh, I actually made slides. Okay. Yeah, it's for some YAML metadata, so like you can set title, description, some text, blah blah for the resulting page, languages. But it has also you can put it in the slide mode, which turns it into reveal JS slides. Yay, slides! With all the comfort they offer, so you can just present. You can quickly whip up some presentation online even without registering, and just with dividing the slides with 3 or 4 dashes, you can create a cool presentation. So if I had a little time, I would do that, but I'm just using something that was done here. So yeah, fragments, everything that's of course with some default style that's used here, but you can change the theme. So you can actually change that. Yeah, you can set a lot of those options in that YAML thing, backgrounds, everything. Animated. Yeah, encode, which is of course better for writing than some PowerPoint or something like that. And again, you can cooperate with anybody you want. So really easily, we use that a lot. That's not going to be my presentation yet. There's also you can do even a Gitbook stuff, so you can link the other files and just prepare the Gitbook if you prefer. Of course, this is not the final destination, even though sometimes if you want to quickly put something on the internet, format it with links, I just use this because there's like publish mode without option to edit, so just HTML page, simple one. No need to fuss. And of course, but we in the end we copy the code. You can save it to some. Yeah, thank you. You can save it to some services, but we just copy that.